Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm in a different spot today. I don't know if the lighting is okay. It's a little dark back here, so I don't know how it's gonna look. But anyways, for today's video, I have a room tour for you guys. I'm stuck in the house, so there's nothing really else for me to do besides film and eat, because I don't have a job. I was like, okay, I'll do a room tour. Why not? Fuck it, let's do it. I have a lot of video ideas that I want to do while in quarantine. I'm going to be showing you guys around my room today. I pretty much picked out most of these pieces. Some pieces I repurposed. I decorated my room all by myself, painted it, did wallpaper, things of that sort. I'll have links for everything that I can find down below. There's a lot of pieces that you won't be able to find in store, but whatever I can, I will link down below. I think we can get into this video. There's not really anything else that I have to say besides to be safe and stay indoors, watch YouTube, watch movies, I don't know, just stay safe. Yeah, so let's jump into the room. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my door, I guess. This is kind of stupid to start there. This is my door. I have a mirror right here on my door. I have a lot of mirrors in here, so just be aware. I am wearing my slippers to do this because this is what I wear in the house. I have my Igor shirt on. So I actually painted this door white because it was wood color. And this mirror is just like a random mirror from like Target or something. I have this whiteboard right here that is from Target. I have two of them actually. I have one over there and one over here. And there I just write my video ideas. I write like things to do, my to-do list. I call it my Toto list because that's what iCarly, I think I got that from iCarly. Toto list, I believe. This piece right here, this was my uncle's cross. When he passed away, this is like one of the pieces that I really wanted to keep of his. I have a trash can right there in the corner. That way when the door is open, it's like hiding. Up here, this used to be my brother's room and his girlfriend put this up and I just left it there. It goes with like the vibe of the room. This is just where I keep my backpack or my purses, whatever. I usually alternate between these two, but right now I'm using that. My boyfriend's hat. I got this little thing from Marshalls and my boyfriend got me the Stranger Things movie thingy. And then I go a little bit over and I have my Weekend Trilogy poster. I've had this poster since I can remember. I've hung this up in multiple places, so the corners are like absolutely fucked. But I love this piece. I got this in San Francisco at like a poster store. I have a little poster of Billy. So next I have my mirror. This is from IKEA. Freaking love this mirror. It makes the room look so big. This rug that I have underneath is like a bathroom rug, I believe, but I use it in my room because I like the colors. This rug is from World Market. And then right next to it I have these two pieces. This one I got at Ross, and this little plant I also got at Ross. And then I just have it on like a little crate basket thing. It's like a wooden basket, just so it can give some height to it. Then up here I have a bunch of little pieces. This one I got at the Exploratorium, and then all these are from Dave & Buster's that my boyfriend got me. And then I have a few pieces up there. Hold on, let me grab it. So these I actually got when my uncle passed away. I had to put the camera down to get it out, but it has like eagles on the knife. I think this knife is really cool. I also have another knife up there, but I can't reach it, so I'm not gonna grab it. Up here I have my grandma's you know those prayer cards that they give when like someone passes away? I have my grandma's like original one there. Up here I have some paintings. So this one I got at like Ross or Marshalls or TJ Maxx or something. And then the two next to it are Squidwards that I actually painted on Valentine's Day. Me and my boyfriend went on a date and we got drunk as fuck and painted Squidwards. I don't remember where these curtains are from. I can't even see the color right now. It's crazy. They're like a mint green. And then right next to it is my makeup collection. It's in an Alex drawer because it's super easy to store things in here. And I like that it slides really easily. I'm actually going to be posting a makeup collection video very soon. My makeup collection is very, very tiny. It's literally these 3 drawers. And this one's empty. This is my everyday makeup. And then these brushes and this table aren't usually here, but since we're in quarantine, I've been filming a little bit. So I just stuck it back here, but these usually go in my closet. I have these 2 lights out all the time. This is my ring light. I got it on Amazon. And then my lighting right here, this is the hair light. I'll go ahead and try to link where I got that from. It's a 3-piece set, but the other 2 pieces are in my closet. And then this is like my favorite part of my room. This is here because when I'm filming I put it right here so you guys can see it in the video. I actually film in this corner, so I have my bed all the way on this side so that I can have all that space to film. This is what you guys see on my videos. This is what it looks like in real life. I actually really like these. The wallpaper I actually got from Target, which is a peel and stick wallpaper. I'll go ahead and link that down below if I can find it. And then this is my crystal collection. It's kind of small, but these are pieces that I really love. I have some amethyst here. I have some rose quartz, some clear quartz, more rose quartz. I have fluorite right here. These are fluorite balls, crystal balls. I keep all my rings here. This is the ring that my boyfriend actually asked me out with. And then he actually gave me this one as well. This one's from Pandora. I freaking love this ring. But I keep them all here. I have a crystal ball. Me and my nephew's girlfriend go to crystal shops. There's like a specific one that I really, really freaking love that I used to go to when I was a kid. I have my little Buddha right there, which I'm actually going to be putting on my Etsy very soon. I haven't really announced that I'm going to have an Etsy, but I just kind of want to sell things that I love or like pieces that I make, and I don't know, just whatever. It's just my aesthetic. I'm just gonna do it. I don't know what I'm gonna be selling, but I'm gonna have cool items and clothing and like festival wear I want to start making. I also want to resell some of my crystals and stuff like that. I actually have my Etsy shop set up. There's just nothing posted there yet. So then underneath is a fucking mess. This is just where I keep my filming wires, my chargers, things that I need often. And then if I take a step back, this is what my bed looks like. This is a full-size bed. Most of these blankets I got from Target. This one I've always had since I can remember, and it's actually a twin size because I used to have a twin bed when I was younger, and I just folded it in half because it's not big enough to cover everything, and put it on the end so it's like a little end piece. My pillowcases, I freaking love these pillowcases because they stay pretty cold. These are from Target, and then this one's just one that I've always had. Have my extra blankets and like some more filming stuff that I use down here or back here because I hate like clutter that you can see, so I conceal everything back here. And then I use my extra blankets that I don't want to have displayed as like a little shelf. So at night when I'm not using my laptop, I just go ahead and I put it there and I go to sleep and it doesn't bother me. This is my little corner with my sweethearts on them. This picture of Abel I've actually had forever. I don't remember when I printed that. I think I was like in middle school when I printed that, and then this I got in an album CD case, I believe. Actually I have my curler out because it's still like kind of hot. Most of my furniture is black. I know like YouTube girls or whatever like white, but I actually really love dark furniture. I'm just not that much of a fan of white furniture. So I went with the black brown for almost everything in here, actually everything. So this blanket I've just had for a while. I think it was actually one of my ex's blankets, but I thought it was beautiful, so I kept it. Then if we turn around right here, we have, this is my little work corner. So I have all my uniform, and then I have to iron my clothes and stuff. So I have that there. I have a, oh no, I have a fat ass bottle of Grey Goose from Costco right here. And then some extra pink hair dye for when I have a job that will allow me to dye my hair pink again. Oh my god, I don't know how I had this. I'm just gonna stick it there. Then right next to it, I have my Buddha with little succulents in this. This is actually fake, and I got this at Marshall's. I have my speaker, and then I have a candle, or actually I have 2 candles. And then these are dead flowers. I know they're dead, but I actually usually keep the flowers that my boyfriend gets me until he gets me new ones. And these are the ones that he got me in March. So he gets me flowers every month. And I actually keep one of them from every bouquet, and then I have them in a box. So over here I have pictures of my uncle that actually passed away last year. It's gone by so quick. This is a picture of my grandma. I actually never got to meet her, so I have that there. This is my graduation cap. So I made this completely by myself. I kind of want to redo one, like as a tutorial, because I think that'd be really cool. I'm so proud of this graduation cap. Next to it, I have my Igor poster. A fun fact, I actually got fucking drunk, like bad, really badly drunk, and I didn't remember any of it, so I ended up going the next day so that I can enjoy it. Right here is my mirror, another mirror. I have a mirror there. This wall right here is just things, pictures of people that I love. My brother and his fiance, my little baby. This is my goddaughter. Then over here I have, this is probably one of my favorite pieces. This is my light from Urban Outfitters. I have right here my little turtle. This is so cute. My mom got this for me. She got this for me from Texas, but they have these in Mexico. I have like a whole collection of these in my kitchen. If you turn a little bit, I have my baby. I have 2 signed Blinding Lights cover pictures. I have this box from World Market, and it's actually empty, but I thought it was so cute. Then I have a little tiny shelf. I have a little tiny shelf right here. And then if you go a little bit more over here, I have all like techie stuff. I have 2 routers. My Switch. I freaking love these 2. What the heck? Why'd you turn on, sir? I actually love this color switch. It's the pink and green one. So I actually bought the regular gray ones, and then I just bought extra controllers. That way I can have like 4 players. Love this color scheme right here. Then I have all my clips and a little skull that my mom got me from Portland, I believe. And then I just have my tripod right here. And then if we go up above the door, I have my vinyl. This is my Kissland vinyl. This is the 5-year anniversary Kissland vinyl. I haven't opened it, but supposedly it's freaking mint green, which I love. I have a tiny Beauty by the Madness album picture thing. It's not my favorite album. I have my Starboy comic book. I have all of Trilogy that's right here. I have the poster over here, but I have all 3 mixtapes up there. Up here I have 3 Blinding Lights collector's vinyls. And then I have a teddy bear my boyfriend gave me for Valentine's Day. Travis Scott Reese's Puffs. We have Astroworld vinyl. And then I have the Rolling Stone and Billie Eilish magazine. And then the When We All Fall Asleep, Where Do We Go CD cover. These little string puffs are actually from the Dollar Tree. I used it for my mom's birthday and I thought they were really cute. I actually put them in my room. So my hamper, I got this for free, but I don't support Victoria's Secret anymore, but I still keep it because it matches my room. Down here I have a little cup with my clips for my hair and my brush and a comb because I do my hair right here in this mirror on the floor. I just fucking fell down. Okay, so that is everything for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed my room tour. All the links will be down below, so if you guys want to check out a few pieces that I can find, they will be down there. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, to catch up with me during uploads. I'll see you guys in my next video.